Hi everyone, in this video I will be showing you how to have most recent squads in FIFA 23. So this is a very easy and quick tutorial. Now, before anything else, make sure that you are connected to the internet and that it is operational before you start. Now click customize in the main menu. Okay, so this is what it looks like. Now what you're going to do here is to simply go to edit teams. Okay, tap edit teams. And then here, what you're going to do is to simply click download updates. Okay, so once you tap this one, you will see any features that needs update. So here's the thing. The system will alert you with a prompt if there are any pending updates and will start updating your squad immediately. It would merely inform you that there is nothing accessible right now if there are no updates that need to be made. Depending on the speed of your internet connection, the upgrade procedure only takes a few minutes. That's the reason why I said earlier that you have to make sure that you're connected to a strong Wi Fi or your data connection is strong enough to update any feature here. Once done, you can go back and start playing again. If you find this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more video tips and video tutorials.